uploading in a sea of stars. Spaceship's engine gone too far. Left my mind light years behind, searching the cosmos for a sign. Zero gravity messes with my head, spinning among comets, feeling dead. Planets whizzing by in a blur, infinite void makes my vision stir. Asteroids crashing like thoughts in my brain. Every light year feels like a chain.